Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude with Feel Free to Feel Free. I never noticed how much tightness and tension is in my neck until I become aware. And I do one of these. I've been staring at that phone way too long. Head like this. Ooh, so it's feeling that stress all the way up to my neck, to my head. It's giving me a little bit of a headache. So I'm gonna work through that with some yoga. Breathing it out first. Because today, on this day, the 19th day of your challenge, we're gonna take care of the neck. Good. Let's breathe, wake up and enliven the whole body, get circulation going so we can make sure our neck and our shoulders are feeling great. And we're gonna do that by jumping straight into a flow. I'm gonna start at the back of the mat. You've been here before, gonna bring it here again. I'm gonna tuck you in my shirt or just fold it down. Let's inhale slowly, bring the arms up and out to the side. Good. And then as you exhale, forward fold, push the hips back, drop in. Oh, slowly. Now you see how my neck is straight. I'm not crunching, looking up. Or bringing it, forcing down. I'm just relaxing the neck, coming down nice and easy. Forward here. Just gently. I did a little hard, don't do it hard. Like somebody's gently turning your head, just softly. Like gravity, stretch your head from the left to the right. Little up and little back. Rub your bald head if it's like mine. That's good for the neck and shoulders. Just let the shoulders relax. We're going to do some shoulder rolls while we're down here. Release any tension, let it gravity. Just do all the work. One more. Good. We're going to slowly bend the knees. Coming down. Ooh, to the back. Then we'll come to our tabletop position here and then into our cow pose. Bring the neck, the shoulders in together. So I'm going to bring my shoulders back up, bring my chin up, and bring my neck just for a stretch here. Find a spot. And as I exhale all around through the shoulders, gentle with the chest, and the arms. Feel that stretch in the back of the neck. Inhale, coming up. And exhale. Warming the neck up. Shaking the tension out, yawning out of the tension. And exhale. Good. Being gentle with the neck and the shoulders. We'll come into our hero's pose. You can always sit on your heels. Use like a blanket or a block so you don't have to go all the way down. But we're going to just roll that shoulder back. And we're going to gently press into this left shoulder with the right hand and look away and roll semicircle and feel everything just open up to the neck and the shoulder. Circle it around. And then slowly come to the other side. Bring that left hand and gently press to the right shoulder. Open it and close. Open it and close. Breathe in, of course, as we do so. Let's take the right hand and gently pull on your right ear. Just about 3 times. Nice and gentle. Release a lot of pressure out of that left. Right side. And then the same thing on the left. Good. Breathe in. Coming back down to that tabletop position. Then we're going to spread things wide, press up through the legs. Use my legs. My legs are taking everything that's downward facing dog. And from here, I can just look left and look right in my head. And my shoulders are just sliding down towards my top of my head. So I'm not trying to tense and tighten my shoulders, just relax. The arms, just keep them straight. The legs are straight. And let gravity do the rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. This time I'm going to bring my left foot up. Now I can move a block or a pillow if I need to. Bring that right hand down to the ground. Good, feel that stretch all the way there. I'm going to press that right hand down. Just moving the hips, letting it wake up a little bit. I'm going to turn over my left shoulder and bring my left hand up. Ooh, for a deep twist right here. I'm going to relax your shoulders, relax your hip. And look straight out if it hurts to look up. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up to the chest, the back, the shoulders. Good. Drop the head and move the hips back, then the leg back. Moving the head left to right. Side to the neck, you can move that block. Good. I'm bringing my cheek towards my shoulder. Nice and gentle. Gentle. Good. Now switch the foot, bring the right foot up. Ooh. Left hand down. And you roll out. Open up, drop that left hand back. Right hand back to you. You can look up if that's okay for your neck or anything. And drop down. Good. I'm going to slowly lower all the way down. Whoa. One of my favorites. I'm going to bring, I'll show you this way. I'm going to bring my right ear down to the mat and the palm of my right hand down to the mat. Bring that left hand in front of me. Press my left hand in front of me, my left elbow up. And I'm going to roll my left hip over to the right side. And you're going to feel the opening in the shoulder and the chest as you roll over to the right side. Good. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back. You remain on that left, on your right side. Relax, relax, relax. Now let's turn the palm up. Turn it up. You're gonna roll it in, see what that feels like in your shoulder, your neck, taking your time. See how slow I move, move even slower. So you can see what's going on in the neck. Very delicate place. We want to take our time, don't yank it around. I know we crack our necks. Be easy. You don't want the neck to have any damage. Good. Roll over. Oh. Pick the head up. Now drop the left ear down. Palm facing down, left hand. Right hand in my face. And I'm gonna roll over. Woo! Deep stretch in the top of that shoulder. Good. Now you might not get your foot down, or you might get both feet down. Wherever you go, just feel that stretch at the top of the shoulder, the side of the neck, and breathe. Slowly coming back. Foot palm up. So like putting some money in your hand. Ooh, I feel this one a lot deeper. Breathing into the belly. Good. You roll back and it all releases. Oh, bring your hands down to the side. Relax the shoulders. You can bring your chin to the mat wherever it works. Good. Back and shoulders are loose. We're gonna come onto our backs. Or however you can. I'm gonna bring my chin to the sky and slowly start to bring the top of my head to the mat. Right? With a stretch here. You can bring your palms of your hand down to the mat, and then your butt. Put your butt into your hands. Lift your butt, but you bring your hands underneath, give you a support. Oh, good. Then I can roll the top of my head onto the mat, chin up. Big stretch in there. Thread the neck. The shoulders open up as I relax my shoulders. Good. Pushing to the elbows, lift the head up gently and slowly coming down. Looking to your left. Looking to your right. Trying to bring your toes down towards your fingers to your toes, to your feet, so you feel that stretch as the arms pulling away from the shoulders. Roll into the left and to the right. That's a good one. Hope your neck and your shoulders feel amazing already. Take that last thing you into your work day. Have your best day. See you on the next day. Peace. Namaste. And as always, feel free. And namaste. Peace. Too relaxed. All right, thank you.